let's go and have a look, Jack. And that.
Go have a proper look inside.
That's what I mean.
That's proper that. I'd have that on you camera. Jump out the taps one and just
Let's have a look up here.
you can look inside the front of it.
Yeah,
You go to the front and you with the front hatch is open. Ah.
Look at that, Jack.
Gear stick's locked in.
It's push button start, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the ammo boxes. Shells. Here's another trip.
Yeah. Yeah, just come down, right?
These chaps.
Really though, in the back they wouldn't just have like fuel tanks and rubbish, they'd have
Hey, look at that thing. There's a Morris Minor, Connor. Let's have a look at it in a minute. Oh, some more American.
They've
Like-
got the army cadets with them.
Look at the USA one. Oh, with these jeeps these, aren't they? Second World War. Please keep off,
This day,
otherwise you're dead. Look at that inside.
is it push start? Yeah.
Yeah, they all are. We're in the army.
Not even fucking ammo.
Look at machine guns.
I've held.
I've
You
had.
kind
No, I don't want to go.
Anfield.
That's the British one. Let's go and have a look. I'm having a look over here. I want to look at this little Morris Minor thing.
Why are you doing a video of the water? Look at the guns at the back.
Where?
They brought it out here. Yeah. We'll have to have a look at them properly and see how old them.
Inside.
You could spend hours here, couldn't you?
Yeah. Tractor there. That one. Inside. It's quiet, isn't it?
Oh.
Quiet. Yeah. Jeep there on the move. Still going home. Yeah, let's look at this cannon. Howitzer.
There's toilets over there, in case you need it.
Go on
Go
then.
to the toilet there. That don't look as good as the others. It's tiny.
Where do you want to look at next? The American truck.
Just anything better. Once we've done like all this, you've done the video, we'll go around properly. When you proper have a look.
There he's going.
Yeah, what they'll be doing, they'll be going to pick up stuff on
Going
the big guy.
US Air Force. Got a Willys. The little Willy Jeep. There's quite a few of them, isn't there?
Yeah.
Really.
When I look at these massive, you just put the video of the front of them. What proper?
What proper look? Let's have a look real.
Yeah.
United States Navy.
Okay, I am from my camera.
There's another one firing up. We're all going home now, you see. Time.
What? Can't. Not got video camera.
Here we are. Got the size of this track.
Your chain up.
Yeah. Look at the springs in there.
Suspension.
Look at it, it's massive.
Between the bloody thingy on it. The winch.
Yeah, I know. They are. They are, look, chaps. I say chaps. Oh,
That's good. Are they all going home now?
they are. Look at it. Here's the army guys. Here they all are. There's another. Let's go and follow them, see the tanks. Make a quick video.
us for a ride. Down to look at the
Oh, that engine sounds nice.
that his thing's knocked out.
Yeah.
Handbrake's knocked out. And he can't get his handbrake off. And that's a bit fucked up.
Yeah, look at this. Personnel carrier.
These will go in about an hour, half an hour.
It's because it's
It's a Sunday.
Was it tea time?
Usually they'd be filled with
there's a scimitar tank there, look next to you. Not sure what this is, but I know it's a personnel carrier.
There's a BMW, it's about to run you over.
Here it is, Jack. Oh, we're off on the road. We're in the way, can't see. They'd floor it, wouldn't you?
No. He's the one who his handbrake knocked on. You could tell then, couldn't you?
Let's go and look at this scimitar quick.
Before your batteries run out. No, it's for when, like, personal.
Right, it's sitting there. With the window. See it?
Yeah. It's for when you're down in the bum compartment.
Look at the extra tracks there. Spurs.
Track repair. But it's bollock to repair them tracks.
Have you ever heard of WD-40? Try a bit on this tank. Well, that's it folks. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Goodbye.